In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance a low-quality image in Canva using built-in tools and apps. Open Canva on your desktop and sign in so your work saves automatically. Start by bringing your image into the project. On the left sidebar, click the Uploads panel, then upload your low-quality photo. You can use the Upload button or drag the file in. Once it appears in your library, click it to place it on the canvas. Select the image and go to Edit Image in the top toolbar. This is where most of the cleanup happens. Begin with filters. If you want a quick overall look, then fine-tune with Adjust. Nudge brightness and contrast to restore balance, and gently increase sharpness and clarity to pull back detail. Make small, gradual changes and keep an eye on edges and skin tones. Over-sharpening can create halos or noise. If the photo looks washed out, a touch of contrast helps. If it's too dark, lift the shadows rather than pushing brightness too far. Next, open Magic Studio for targeted improvements. Use Magic Edit to regenerate or refine blurry parts. Brush over the area you want to improve and let Canva process it. If you're asked for a description, keep it simple and accurate. Subtle selections usually give more natural results, so work in sections rather than trying to fix everything at once. Then, try Magic Expand to fill missing areas or improve composition. This is great for extending a background or reframing a tight crop so the subject has more breathing room. Check edges to make sure the new content blends with the original. If you want more help, head to the Apps panel and explore Canva apps designed for photo enhancement. These can apply additional cleanup or refinement with a couple of clicks. Apply enhancements with a light touch and compare before and after as you go so the image still looks realistic. Preview the improved image in your design. Zoom in to check fine details like hair, text, or patterns, then zoom out to see if the overall balance feels right. If something looks off, return to Edit Image and make small adjustments until you're happy. When you're ready to save, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose a format that suits your use, PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for smaller file sizes, and save the enhanced image to your device. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.